Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to look at using shapes. Things like arrows, diamonds, triangles, circles, ovals, that kind of thing. It can be very useful for highlighting something that you've found out with your analysis using Excel. So if you look on the screen here, you can see we have a basic graph. And I want to highlight the fact that it's climbing quite steeply at the right hand end here at 2020. So I want to put an arrow pointing at that. So I go to Insert menu, Illustrations, and Shapes. And you can see here a whole lot of shapes. These ones are all based on lines. I don't use the arrows much here because you can't change the size of the arrow. You can change the length, but that's all. You can't change the width. Rectangles, different variations on rectangles. There's some basic shapes, ovals, triangles, diamonds, and so on, even a not allowed symbol. Further down, we've got block arrows, which is what I tend to use instead of those line-based arrows, because you can change the width and length of those very easily, and we'll do that in a minute. Then you've got basically plus, minus, multiply, divide, and equal signs. You've got things you might use in a flow chart. You've got stars and banners down there. And right at the bottom, one of my favorites, you've got speech bubbles. So we're going to look at how you can use these to help point to things in your that you found out with your analysis. I'm going to check this block arrow, left facing arrow, and I'm going to drag it up here, and then you can drag it and make it wider or longer or shorter. So, and you can use this one to change the direction it's pointing in. So I'm going to there. I want to move it a little bit closer. And I also want it to be red, not blue, the same color as all these. So I'm going to go up here to Shape Fill, click on that one, and click on red, because I want it to really stand out. And in fact, I'm going to make it a little bit wider. There you go. And a little bit closer. Okay. So far, so good. Now, I want to say something about it. So go to Insert, Text, Text Box, and then go to where you want to put your text box and start to drag it. And then you can start typing. So I'm going to say increasing fast. Okay. I can play around with this text box as well. I can change the font size. I'm going to make it bigger. Let's make it the biggest that will go on one line there. Okay. I'm going to make it a little bit narrower. Change the fill color. Using this one from the home menu. So there you are. And that's all for today. But there will be another one about using other shapes later. See you next time. Bye.